Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that the blades on your TM31 are making a horrible grinding noise, you're not alone. This issue often arises from wear and tear on the blade bearings or misalignment within the motor. If left unaddressed, it can lead to more significant damage to your device, potentially resulting in costly repairs. To resolve this, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement bearing kit, and some grease for lubrication. First, let's start by safely opening the Thermomix. Begin by unplugging the device to avoid any electrical hazards. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the base of the unit. Ensure you keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently lift the top cover away from the base, being cautious not to damage any connected cables. Now, let's locate the component that often fails in this scenario. The grinding noise typically comes from the motor housing, so look for the motor unit which is situated directly beneath the blades. If you see any signs of damage or wear on the bearings, it's time to replace them. To extract the motor, carefully disconnect any cables attached to it, taking note of where they connect for reassembly later. Use your flathead screwdriver to pry off the old bearings, being careful not to damage surrounding components. After removing the old bearings, take your new bearings and fit them into place, ensuring they are seated correctly. Apply a small amount of grease to ensure smooth operation. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the new bearings are in, reattach the motor unit by connecting the cables as you noted earlier. Gently position the motor back into the housing and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Finally, it's time to close the Thermomix. Carefully align the top cover with the base and press down until it clicks into place. Reinsert the screws to secure the cover tightly. Before you plug your device back in, give it a gentle shake to ensure everything is in position and secure. Now you can plug it in and test the blades to see if the grinding noise has stopped. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you regularly check the blades and bearings for wear, and consider using your Thermomix at recommended settings to avoid excessive strain. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.